So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time for you to come across my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm about to cook jollof rice fish, so just stay tuned and watch out. I'm sorry I did not show you how I put the ingredients that I use, but I'm going to leave the list there. So let's start guys. This is a new recipe. So I've already parboiled my rice here. The way I steam this rice, I put water for fire. The water got boil, so I put the raw rice here. So I now put salt, then I pour the water inside after it finish boiling. So I put it inside, I cover it like 2 minutes to 3 minutes. So I leave it. Okay, I remove the water. So as you can see, you don't have to leave it to done much, because as you can see, it's still strong, so that the jollof rice can be able to count. Okay guys, so let's start. Now we have to pour our rice inside. So we'll be back after we finish pouring our rice inside. So guys, now we are back. Now I've already finished pouring the rice inside. As you can see, this is it. So this is the fish I'm going to use. So we have to cover it. We'll be back. So guys, this is it. Sorry, I have to use nylon because the wrapper that I have is already finished, so I have to use the nylon. And before you use it, you have to wash it. Okay, you have to wash it before you use it to cover the rice. So we'll be back after the rice are done. So hello guys, let's check it. So we'll be back after we finish mixing the butter with the rice together. So we have done with mixing it with the butter. As you can see the way it's shining. So it's almost we are almost done with it, and we'll soon be ready. So I just have to leave it just 1 minute, so I drop it down. Our rice will be ready. You see that? I love using this small pot because I don't know why, and I have a big pot, so I just love using this. So we'll be back. So is it? Now we are done with it. Our rice is ready. Our jollof rice is ready. As you can see. Did you see that? Did you see the rice? Did you see? So county, as you can see. So county. Jollof rice. Jollof rice fish is ready. Those things you are seeing there, they are fish. So guys, Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more notification in case if I upload any video, you'll be the first person to watch it, guys. And don't forget to press that notification bell, thumbs up, share, like. So guys, bye.